Hey, it's Megan with WTI, and every now and then I'm really craving a crunchy snack, but I would like to have something healthier and with added protein. That's where the Only Bean Crunchy Roasted Edamame Beans come in. These are buffalo flavor, and if you enjoy spicy the way that I do, I think that you will really enjoy the spicy kick that these provide. These edamame beans are roasted perfectly, and they have an amazing crunch. I love that they provide 13 grams of protein per serving. Each serving also contains 5 grams of fiber, which is awesome for me because a lot of my high protein snacks are not the greatest fiber source. These make a great, convenient, quick, healthy snack. When I'm having a really busy day and I don't really have time to eat that much, these are great to have on hand to give me that fuel to get through my day. I really enjoy these super crunchy edamame beans, and I love their spicy flavor, and I'm also a big fan of the nutrition that they provide for me. And that's my point of view.